if you are out and about, we are seeing another round of showers on the way for this afternoon. We'll see some more tomorrow as well. A couple more disturbances headed our way before we do see dry weather return. As for the rain over the past 24 hours, only a few hundredths of an inch here in the valley along the I-5 corridor. Pretty much same story as you head over to Central Oregon, but the coast over a quarter of an inch in North Bend, over a tenth of an inch there in Newport. When you add these totals to what we did see on Tuesday, we're talking anywhere from 6/10 to an inch for many locations in Western Oregon, which again is almost the most we've seen so far this month. Now, when you look at the deficit, again, it doesn't seem to really be helping us that much. Still 3.97 inches below average in rainfall for this point just in 2014. So just so far in the month of January, we're already 4 inches below what we typically would have seen. Again, it's been extremely dry and getting a few hundredths of an inch each day just isn't really enough to recover from that. But that storm that we got with 6/10 definitely does help us get closer. As for temperatures, 56 is warm. Yesterday, the average high is 49. We dropped all the way down to 40. The average is 35 for the low temperature. Now, this morning, we're seeing a break in that precipitation. A few showers as you head up out near Lebanon and Sweet Home. Also seeing some snow showers up north near Mount Hood. But that storm is continuing to drop down to the south. We'll see a weak disturbance move in here later this afternoon, and then another area of low pressure drops in on Friday. So we do have more opportunities for showers tonight. Again, Friday, and that's all going to stay as snow across Cascade Passes as that snow level continues to be down around 2,500 feet. You notice how far down to the south that jet stream is. That's not going to be the case for much longer, and that's why this storm, which is developing in the Pacific nicely, will never make it to Western Oregon. In fact, it'll be carried well to the north of us. Here's what the jet stream is going to do over the next 36 hours. Again, right now, seeing that little trough pushing down into Northern California. Take a look at this. What's going to happen is it's going to start to push to north. Low ridge is going to form. And as it does continue to push up to the north, that blocks us from any other storms moving into the Pacific Northwest. Starting Saturday, continuing all the way through Wednesday, we'll be back into that same pattern where the storms are then headed up over eastern Montana, the Dakotas, and into the Midwest, rather than here into the Pacific Northwest. So for those of you on the coast today, highs in the upper 40s and low 50s. Again, another round of isolated showers, but it'll be later in the day. And those temperatures continuing to cool down. For the Umpqua Basin, it's low 50s for you today, mid 30s tonight. Isolated showers this afternoon, otherwise partly sunny, and those winds much calmer than yesterday. The Cascades holding right at about that freezing mark today, dropping into the low 20s. We're looking at another 2 to 4 inches, again, above 2,500 feet more the further north you head. And we'll see more opportunities for snow on Friday. No word yet whether or not Willamette Pass or Hoodoo will be able to open this weekend. For Central Oregon, it's mid 40s for highs. Seeing some light rain showers this afternoon. That'll switch to snow tonight. Could see as much as an inch here tomorrow. And for the valley, highs will be in the upper 40s and low 50s. So cooler than yesterday. Seeing a few isolated showers in the second half of the day. And again, we all see that second round of rainfall on Friday. Otherwise, you can see for the coast, dry this weekend. Highs hold in the upper 40s and low 50s. The Umpqua Basin, you'll drop to the upper 40s Saturday through Wednesday. For the Cascades, again, snow showers the next 2 days, but also sunny and dry this weekend through next week. Not as warm, so hopefully the snow that does fall won't melt too quickly. And for the Willamette Valley, again, cooler next week, but we will be dry Saturday all the way through Wednesday.